Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassandra. So today is day 3 of Vlogmas, and even though Vlogmas is going to be very vlog heavy, I'm also going to incorporate a lot of beauty and fashion videos. So today I'm going to be showing you an everyday holiday makeup look. This is a makeup look that you guys are going to see me sport all throughout December, and I personally kind of like to see this as a look you can wear for a very fancy event, but you can also wear it every day, hence the whole everyday in the title. So let's just get straight into the makeup. I'm gonna use my big poofy headband to push my hair back, but all right, I already prepped my skin with my skincare, so we're gonna go straight into foundation. And I have mentioned this foundation for a bit now, and I am just in love with the Glossier Stretch Fluid Foundation. I used to not be a fan of full coverage foundation just because I didn't like the feeling of being cakey, and that's kind of the feeling I would get from other foundations, but this one is just amazing coverage, and it also just doesn't feel cakey, which is amazing at the fact that it just has great coverage, like I said. So I'm only putting a little bit for now. If I want to put more and kind of build the coverage, I'll add more. I will admit, when I first bought this, I would put like 5-6 pumps and just lather my face with it, and you really just don't need that much. Now I'm gonna go in with a wet sponge and I'm gonna just blend it all in. Okay, there is a light bulb that's either loose or it's on the verge of dying, but it's gonna flicker on and off throughout this video, so please just ignore it. Now that this is all blended in, I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Stretch Concealer. This is in the shade G12, and it's funny because I used to not really like Glossier products. I used to shit on it all the time, and now I'm like, I love Glossier. I love the Glossier store. So big fan of their products right now. Oh, also I didn't tell you the shade of the foundation. I use shade Light 4. So I kind of just go in with my finger, apply it under my eyes, and I'll go back in with the wet sponge and just blend. Now that this is all blended in and I'm looking a little dead and lifeless, let's add some color back into my face, and we're going in with another Glossier product. It's their bronzer, and this is in the shade Ray. This is called the Solar Paint Luminous Bronzer Cream, and I swear not every product in this video is going to be Glossier, I swear. But what I really like about this bronzer is that it's a very nice natural glow. It's not too harsh, it blends in really nicely, and bear with me, I know this application process is not great, and I know there's different ways to apply bronzer and contour, but this is just what I like to do. But we're gonna blend. And I don't know if you can see what I mean. I think for a bronzer, it's a very nice natural glow. It's not like too much, so I really like this. But now let's go on to blush. This is a new favorite product that I recently purchased, and this is the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. I usually pick up super pink, super harsh in your face sort of blushes because I just love blush. I love the look of a lot of blush, but I usually don't pick up a mauve color, and this is just so beautiful. Look at that little sponge. This color is so nice, and this product just blends in so perfectly. And for a cream blush, it doesn't. Most cream blushes are very intense, and this one is just perfect. It's not too much, it's just the right amount. So 3, okay, I put too much, but 3 dots, both sides. And let's blend. I also like to put blush on the very tops of my cheeks. I don't know why, I just think it kind of looks nice. Over the nose. And to tie it in, I love to put blush on my forehead. It just, I don't know, it just pulls the look together. And ever since I started doing this, I have never gone back. Always got blush on my forehead now. I also put some on my brow bone. I saw that trick on TikTok a while ago, and like I said, ever since I saw that trick of putting blush on your forehead and on your brow bone, I haven't stopped, so. Yeah, now that most of my cream products are on my face, I'm going to get my setting powder. I know there are many techniques on how to use setting powder. And to be honest, I am not an expert. I'm just gonna apply this where I usually get the most oily, and I am using the One Size setting powder. And I know they have a pink setting powder as well, but I just have the translucent one. And I'm using this cute Sephora applicator. I love the shape of it. So I'm just gonna go in on my forehead, on my eyes, this whole area, T-zone. Now, this is a cream product I like to put after my powder, just because I find that if I put liquid highlighter on after powder, it kind of dulls the shine, and obviously we want our highlighter to show. So I am using the Rare Beauty liquid highlighter in the shade Transcend. It's like a very pretty pinky color, and I'm gonna do 3 dots, some on my nose, and then on the bridge of my nose. Same sponge, blend, blend, blend. I also just find that liquid highlighter is so much more natural looking, and I feel like it's just not as harsh when I use powdered highlighter, because usually that line on my cheek just looks so harsh and it's so hard to blend, personally for me. I love this so much. It's not even done, but I love these products. So I usually don't go too crazy with eyeshadow, so I like to use my Dior Backstage Cool Neutrals palette, and I honestly do the same colors all season long. So I'm gonna go in with this ashy brown, and we're gonna just go all over the lid. Go a little bit in the crease as well. And we're gonna go in with this slightly darker brown right here. And we're gonna go in the crease. It's okay if it's a little messy, we're gonna clean it up anyway. So I don't put any eyeshadow under my eye because I have other plans for that. So now I'm gonna go in with this primer that's provided with the palette, and I don't use it as a primer, but I kind of use it to just clean up the sides of my eyeshadow, and it kind of just creates this nice sharp look. And look at that. And obviously, since this is a holiday look, we can add some sparkles. So I'm gonna go in with this kind of goldish shimmer, and I'm gonna go on the inner corners of my eyes just to make them pop. Now, going back in with the Rare Beauty liquid highlighter, we're going to take a small amount, and then we're gonna get this very small angled brush, and I'm gonna just take a little bit on this, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. It just creates the prettiest touch of sparkle under your eyes. It's just, I've been doing it all season long, and it just looks so pretty. So let's do that. This is gonna be so hard to do on camera. Can I do it? Let's see, gotta done. I'm so close to you guys right now. Okay, perfect. I like to do that now because I kind of want to let it dry a little bit so my eyes get used to it, and it doesn't burn or anything. Obviously, it's just it was so close to my eye, my eyes water, so gotta let it dry. Now to eyebrows, I am gonna be going in with my Glossier Boy Brow. This is like the one Glossier product that I consistently buy over and over again. It's just so good, and I'm using the shade Dark Brown. I'm honestly actually running out of this, so let's apply as much as we can. I used to do my eyebrows like super structured, and now I'm just kind of over it. Just, I don't know. I feel like when I fill in the natural part of my brows, I just prefer the look of it a little bit more. And the Glossier Boy Brow gives me that fluffy eyebrow effect without having to do too much. And if it looks a little messy, it's okay, because now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I actually don't really use this for my eyebrows anymore. I'm just gonna use the brush end and kind of clean up my brows. Now my eyebrows aren't perfect, but honestly, I'm not mad about it. They're not as structured as I used to do my eyebrows, but I honestly kind of prefer this, so yeah. Now, what I do like to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz for is that, just freaking light bulb. The applicator side is the perfect size to make the perfect small flick for eyeliner. So I have been using this for my eyeliner, and it's just the perfect size that it makes the process so easy and so fast. Like, done. I can just make it a little bit longer if I want to, but easy, perfect. And it's not complicated, and because it's a brown shade, it's a little more for everyday, a little more natural. But like I said, you can still do this look for a more dressy, fancy event. I think for like big holiday parties, the only difference I would do is maybe add like black liquid eyeliner, but I've been loving the Brow Wiz eyeliner that I've been doing. And done. Now mascara. I have the straightest eyelashes, and I have no choice but to use waterproof mascara. It's the only thing that will hold my lashes and actually keep the curl. So my favorite waterproof mascara is the Lancome Definicils waterproof mascara. My ultimate favorite mascara is actually out, and it was from the brand Heroin Make, and I got it from a beauty store in Koreatown, and I had the brown shade, and I really wanted to go back and get the black shade, and what am I doing? But I just haven't gotten to picking it up, so I do really like this one. Both of these are amazing. They both don't smudge under your eyes or anything, so let's apply the mascara. Got my curler. Wait, I don't like this one. I'm super picky with eyelash curlers. Like, for instance, this shape, I just know it doesn't work for me. I just know I'm gonna pinch my eye. Okay, this one's better. I know it looks the same, but the girls get it. The girls get it, okay? Now I gotta bring my mirror over because I am not skilled enough to apply mascara just by looking at the camera or the mirror behind you guys. I need something up close. Just look at that difference. Amazing. Now my mascara is done. Now it's not a holiday look without a red lip, and I love this MAC lipstick. This is in the shade PDA, and it's the perfect everyday red because it's not too harsh, and I'm able to wear it day and night. Not that there's any rules of what colors you can wear. I just personally prefer wearing this for an everyday look. First, I'm gonna line my lips in the MAC lip pencil in the shade Mahogany. So let's do that. I can't really see in the camera, so I'm gonna look behind you guys. And I'm just gonna do the natural shape of my lips. Okay, I know this looks messy and horrible, but that's okay. It doesn't matter because now I'm gonna apply PDA, and we're gonna put her on very whatever like. So you see, like, this looks horrible, whatever, but I'm going to kind of blend it in with my finger because I kind of want to diffuse the color so it's not as harsh. So let's do that. Mwah. I just like to blend it in because I just don't like when my lips are too defined or too, I don't know, I just like that this is a little bit softer, a little more everyday, like I've been saying. Now, one of my current favorite products is this faux freckle pen from Marilia Scott Cosmetics. I've just seen this all over TikTok, and I gave in and bought it off of TikTok shop because I used to use the faux freckle pen, and I liked it, but it wasn't waterproof, so it always just like come off my face. And because this is waterproof, it lasts so much longer, and I find this one looks a little bit more natural, especially when you blend it in. So I'm gonna put very little boom boom. I just love the subtle touch of the faux freckles. I think it's just so cute. Now the last thing we're going to apply is the iconic London setting spray. This, look at that. This is just holiday sparkles in a bottle, and I think it's just perfect for the holidays because it's gonna give you the prettiest natural glow, but there are sparkles in the bottle, so you have like some specks of sparkles on your face, and it's just perfect for the holidays or literally year round. But when I think of the holidays, I think of sparkles. So let's give her a spritz. And we are all done with the makeup. I love this look so much. Like I said, I feel like, I don't know if it counts as soft glam, but I am able to wear this every single day, but I'm also able to wear this if I'm going to an event, a fancy party. And yeah, take the headband off, kind of fix my hair a little bit. And that is the final look. I hope you guys try this makeup look. If you do, please tag me on Instagram, TikTok, anything, just let me know. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys for Vlogmas Day 4. Bye.